Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to all my fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Sikukune 3. I'm joined by my brother Kamabanu Pumagupi.
Ives Mavuso, Eneli Spirit.
Kalangani Puti.
Ngikhala ngebackline yethu mfethu, ibackline yethu bengekho right. Nabi wenze imistake ukuthi a change ibackline. Yabona. So that is why ama friends separate. Azosho ukuthi vele nabi nguye lo lokuthi makunaye makubuye yena siyadliwa. So yena kufuna abheke alungise kahle lento lapha la endawo lapha because manje uzosihlekisa ngePirates uyasibulala mfethu why angamsebenzisi uDupreez
mfethu
uDupreez always uyasave umbeke benchini why angamsebenzisi Mfundo Vilakazi
mfethu
ngiyakhala Stibo khala Stibo of the measure yikho Chiefs vele imali imali komaruma isikhukhune hayi singayidlala lumona mfethu iyadlala sikhukhune siyadlala all the best mara khosi supporters guys ningaphosi ispotele groundini asidliwe first siwina as accepting I lose guys khosi for life love and peace.